Hey, all right, so if you are watching this video is for the directions of exploring a different culture. So you are going to be choosing between various slide decks, and each slide deck is dedicated to a different culture, right? One will be about Dutch, one is about Mexican culture, one is about Vietnamese culture, and maybe some others. I'm not really too sure yet, but I do know that there is one for Dutch culture, Spanish culture, and Vietnamese culture. So I'm looking at the Dutch one as an example, but they're all basically the same thing. The whole purpose of this is really setting up the groundwork, setting up your foundation of what is culture, right? And so you've already done a slide deck about your own culture, analyzing your cultural traits. What language or languages do you speak? How do you transport? What is your transportation? How do you get from one place to another? What is your entertainment? What are things that you do for fun? I like to think of culture, it's like the fun stuff that we're made up of. For the most part. So now we're looking at cultures in other areas of the world, okay? And so what you're going to do is go through the slide deck. Look, there's directions here. Use the links provided in the following slides to answer the questions and learn about other cultures. And so, like I said, this one is for the country of the Netherlands, but it's called, but the people and the language is called Dutch. I don't know how Netherlands and Dutch, they got Dutch out of Netherlands, but whatever, that's what it's called. So as you're going through, you're going to see different cultural traits, but then you have a resource, okay, that's provided to you, for you to help get information. You are allowed to do your own Google searches. I only provided you resources as like a starting point. So here, for example, you're looking at common foods that are found in the Netherlands, and explaining like what they are. Looking at like different artists, different holidays and how they are celebrated. And for each of these, there is a resource, right, for you to use. Again, you can use your other, you can do Google image or Google searches. That's absolutely fine. I just wanted to give you something to get started. Okay, again, this is your exploration. Learn about other areas in the world, right? Get out of your own bubble and learn about other people's bubbles. Sounded really elementary. Well, you've already, you know about yourself. You know where you've come from, okay? So now is the time to explore other people and to explore where other people come from, okay? Make sure that you are using the resources. Again, Google searches are fine, but more importantly, have fun with this, okay? Become curious. That's the whole point of this week, right? Get curious about culture. And then this is preparing you for a, wait for it, maybe some sort of reflection and presentation at the end. But for now, we're just having fun and we are exploring culture. Thank you so much for watching.